Okay. I'm here with another Sons of the Forest video because I figured that the video I recently posted would not get any comments whatsoever. So that's usually how it is. Sometimes I get comments, but rarely. Only 2 of my videos have gotten comments before. So yeah. Let's go. Oh, I forgot to start. Oh yeah, I recently figured out how the camera works. Apparently there's a little thing that makes it so that it can clip on to the monitor. So I don't have to worry about like having it always going falling off the monitor. Maintaining your thirst, hunger, and thirst will keep your vitality high. I don't know what that means. I actually don't know what that means. Why is it taking forever to load? Okay, what am I holding? Oh, I'm holding a katana, of course. Okay. Of course, it's like the dawn of winter. Okay. Oh, I almost fell off. I almost fell off. Oh yeah, last time I did this, or did a Sons of the Forest video, it was me hanging out with rocks. It was me helping. It was me and Shin Gojira Ultima and I think it was Prometheus. No, that was a different time. It was some different other guy. Don't know exactly. Yeah, there we go. Oh, hi, Kelvin. Knowing, I just gotta place this in here. Well. Okay, well that's that. What's he doing? Why are you shaking your head? If you shake your head, I'm gonna beat you to death. Wrong answer. I warned you. Where'd he go? He clipped through me. Well, leave you there until you learn your lesson, sir. Ooh, you can do that? Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Okay. I'm gonna ignore you, Kelvin. You're like actually kind of like a brat. How did you... How did he get up? He's supposed to be dead. How did you get up, Kelvin? Want Kelvin? Get away, Kelvin. By the way, Kelvin did absolutely nothing. I just decided to absolutely like bully the heck out of him. Kelvin, you're stupid. Wait, no, he did do something because I remember. I didn't know it would kill him. No. Kelvin. I didn't think it'd kill him, bro. Oh, I'm actually like tearing up right now. No. I didn't think it'd kill Kelvin. No. No. Kelvin. Wait. Hold on. Can I? Wait. I know how to bring him back. Don't disobey and I won't beat the crap out of him. Oh, someone joined the server. Can you hear me? I don't know if they can hear me. Can you hear me? Hello? I don't know if they can hear me. Maybe my mic is broken. I don't know. I don't think my mic is broken. It's showing on... Oh, he's going to sleep.
Oh, I got weed on my headset? That sucks. What's going on? Are you there?
Yeah,
I guess that'd be the better. Oh, look.
Is my mic
There
working?
we go. Kinda. Sometimes.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, in case you're wondering...
Now it'll work better.
I don't know if you heard me when you first joined the server. I was like talking to myself because I accidentally killed Kelvin. But yeah, that was what was happening. I was just talking to myself at first.
Oh, I couldn't hear you.
Oh, okay. Why is there a flying shark?
Where?
Is it? You see him? He's like over there.
Somebody put that in here.
Well, I know I put some sharks in the water, but they're not supposed to fly.
Yeah, sometimes if you're using the mods for them, they get a little wonky and do whatever they want to do.
Oh. Yeah, we need rocks. Let's see. Is that a rock? No, that's a stone. What happened to all my rock? That's not a rock either, okay.
Where'd the shark even go? It left.
Those sharks go where... wherever they possibly can go. They're like all over the place. Oh,
Yeah, they're pretty much. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Alright. Holy cow, that sun is bright. I still gotta figure out how to reset that command.
I could still see some soul left in Kelvin's eyes, but he's just like completely dead. What did it? I just clipped his arm through the floor. Wait. His head is like completely implanted into the floor.
So what you building here? Multi-story house?
Yeah. Oh, the snow's gone. There used to be snow everywhere. Why did Virginia just bring me a bunch of plants? What the heck?
She wants you to eat them.
Every time I join on here, she either brings me a dead rabbit or she brings me a fish, and it's like, oh, that's cool, but like, I have like a whole inventory full of those.
Why is it not working today?
Just completely inhale a whole entire thing of meds. Pretty sure in real life that would like kill you if you just like ate an entire casing of meds. Like,
Yeah, it probably wouldn't turn out well.
this game makes no sense whatsoever, and I respect that. Okay, let's see. I think I want to go into the cave, but I don't know for sure. Hold up. I need to attach as many things possible to this. Okay. And then, okay, got that equipped. Now I need to throw on armor. Alright. I think I'm going to go.
I don't have anything.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Regina scared the crap out of me. I thought she was like a cannibal or something at first.
I was on my way, babe. Colleen, get it out of your mouth!
A bunch of...
You'll quit doing that the first time it shocks you. Gotta keep chewing on my charger.
Okay. There's a skeleton in here? And a collection of arms. That is immensely creepy. This guy looks like he didn't eat enough. He was about to eat that, but he just like died of starvation before he could. Okay, that's strange. I've been down this cave many times before, but I can never map it out right. Okay. Oh, they got some meds. They got MRE, skull. Let's see. They have more skulls. Ooh, a beer bottle. Where's that vodka? I think that's vodka. Let's see. Oh, ammo. Oh, I can't carry anymore. Well, is my inventory like packed? Oh, it's an... I'm blind. Everything here I already have like a max amount of... I think we're supposed to... Do I go that way? Or... No, I just came from that way. I think I'm supposed to go... here. I really hope there's no sharks in here. If there's a shark in here, I'm gonna lose my soul. Oh my. It's the symbol of Jesus. Okay, what the heck? I could have sworn I saw something. Okay. Oh, looks like we're doing some underwater action. Wow. Wow, they really went into detail when they made these caves. What the heck? Is that kind of some kind of Egyptian monument thingamajiggy? What even is that? Oh, it's an artifact, isn't it? I think it's an artifact, yeah. Yeah, these things are really valuable. You protect this one. What do I do with it? Wait, do I... What the heck?
Hit G to get it out of your hand.
What?
G gets it out of your hand, unless you're on controller and then I don't know how to do it.
Let's see. I just pressed G. Oh, yeah, there we go. I think that was one of the artifacts. One of my friends was talking about. Need plush.
It is for sure an artifact.
What if there's anything else down here?
No.
Okay, yeah.
Not in this section anyway.
Just saw a dripstone that looks like something very particular. I'm not gonna say exactly what it looked like, but I just got stuck on a rock. There's a rope. Maybe I could use this rope. Don't fall, don't fall. No, I fell. Okay, maybe I can just climb right back up. Like, okay. Ooh. I'm surprised I haven't encountered a mutant yet. Usually by now I would have encountered two. Usually two. Oh, that's where we came from. Okay. That makes sense. Now, do I go this way or that way? I have no idea. Oh, that way.
That way.
Oh yeah, I think I remember this area. There was like a couple mutants over here. Not like over here in specific, but in this general area. Yep.
Oh.
How do you make it rapid fire like that?
I have mods.
Oh, that explains it. Okay. I don't know how to get mods.
The same way. Same way I can fly and everything else.
I've always wondered how to get mods, but like, then again, I don't think my PC would be able to handle the mods, because as soon as I download one mod, the PC would probably be like, just instantly like explode into 1.2 million pieces.
It's, the mods really ain't that big of files. It's real easy to get. If it was something that you were gonna try, all that you do is just go to, what's that called? Go to YouTube and look up Red Mod for Sons of the Forest, or even go to Google and look up Red Mod for Sons of the Forest. It'll walk you through exactly what to do to get them. And none of it's very big files.
Oh, okay.
Now, if the frame rate can't keep up, then you gotta be careful.
It's practically just a flashlight now. I mean, like, you clearly use that.
Yeah. Pretty much. And I have infinite ammo, so.
I wonder what it would look like trying to fight a boss using that rapid fire shotgun.
Oh, it melts anything. It doesn't matter what gets in front of me, it'll die.
Well, that seems pretty good because there is bosses all around in my world. Just on the surface, just casually. Okay. I'm surprised we haven't encountered a mutant yet, or a blind, one of those blind guys. What is that? Okay.
Oh, we went the wrong way. Whoops. Oh, shit. Sorry. I didn't know you were right behind me.
Yeah, that's okay.
This thing will, in fact, eat you for lunch, too, so. I don't know how I'm so lost. I'm never lost in this one.
I can just imagine like a mutant popping right in front of you and it just gets vaporized.
Hey, they do. All the time. I walked through with this with one guy and he's like, it's like having my own bodyguard. We already been this? Why am I so confused right now?
I remember getting lost in this cave once and not being able to find my way out, and I didn't want to kill myself.
I usually don't get lost in this one.
Yeah, I haven't been through this cave as much. I've been through the one near the beach, but not this one. I've been in this one maybe 2 or 3 times, but like, not as much as I have in like the beach cave.
Right.
I don't know how we haven't encountered any like monsters or entities or anything like that yet.
Oh, someone's already been down here. They cleared out the cave. Where are we going? Are we going back the way that we came? I'm lost. I'm like real lost now. You doing a plain knife? I'm gonna keep you a death count. I'm gonna make you a get death counter based on your stream to tell how many times you died. I don't think she's listening to me. The only thing in here is a rope gun, which you already have, so.
Yeah.
Ah.
this might have been... I don't know if that's the same rope, because I know there was, like, a rope when we first got in here, but I don't know if that's the same rope. Oh, I think that might be, actually.
It is. So we can either keep going this way and just go out the way we came in, or turn around and find the actual exit.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think there's any more artifacts in this cave. I mean,
There's not. That's the only one.
oh, yeah. There's really nothing else in this cave to look for, then, I guess.
Alright. There it is.
Oh, yep.
Ow. That hurt my fillers. He's missing some limbs now.
I didn't know their limbs could come off. Why is there two? Oh, I didn't notice his arms came off too. I thought he had like 3 legs on us. What the heck?
His head will pop off too. Oh no. I guess I better not shoot Kelvin again. There's a butterfly on the end of my gun.
Oh yeah, that happens a lot with mine. Whenever I'm like AFK, like watching like YouTube or something, like I look to my screen and I always see like a butterfly on there. Let's see how well you can shred up a boss. Let's see. There we go. Oh my.
They're dead.
That took seconds. Genuine seconds.
Yeah, it sure makes it a whole lot easier. Check this out. I'll just if I get this one out.
Oh, the rifle. Oh yeah, because that one's even more powerful than the shotgun. It's an assault rifle. It's like one of them.
I deal with it. I deal with any other gun. And then the pistol. As soon as I get done looking at it.
I'm wondering now, does it work with bombs? Because bombs are throwable.
No.
Oh.
No. It doesn't work with the stun gun either. I tried that one too.
Oh, that would be hilarious if it did. Cause like you just like spam it. Oh, there's a cannibal.
Where? Oh. You're ugly. Having a seizure. What is that thing? Alright, fuckers. I had enough of your shit. I win. Anyone else? Didn't think so. Yeah, I have fun playing with this thing. It's usually what I do. If I'm not building, I'm just randomly shooting stuff.
I wonder how much damage a shot to the... Oh, I just pointed at Kelvin. He's like, Is he invincible? Like, how is he not dead? Like, if I do this, he just instantly goes down. But when you like blast him with that, he just instantly.
Oh, he didn't. I didn't shoot him.
Oh. Oh yeah, there we go.
I shot the cannibal that was in between you two. And it'll take a while to get Kelvin back now. He's going to be very upset.
Some random cannibal just ripped off a guy's head and shoved a bunch of fingers in it. Like, talk about picking your nose. He's got like 40 fingers in his nose.
Because that's normal. That's what we all do.
I hear a chopper. Or a copter chop. Helicopter.
Pass this.
Hey, it's a helicopter! What does a helicopter do?
If you follow it, it'll take you to its base, and there's a whole bunch of stuff there.
Ooh, I'm gonna follow it.
Good luck.
I'm gonna turn on speedy run.
Okay. I'd probably turn on God mode too if you're in
because it launches
and super jump. Do super jump, speedy run, and God mode, and you'll be able to ding, 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 ding.
Okay, and then all right, where'd that son of a gun go? Let's see. Hey, it's a shark! Oh, we got a demon! Or a demon boss, I guess I should say. It just instantly snapped its bones. Oh, it's a shark too.
How many sharks?
I think at least like I got slightly bored and spawned in like 400, like 100 at a time, basically. Oh, yep, there's another one. Okay. Okay, let's see. What is this? Might as well save. Yes. I remember the old Sons of the Forest. I mean, the Forest servers. Okay, I have no idea what they're doing, but I'm just gonna keep climbing. What is that? Okay, it's nothing. I'm tweaking. Super jump is on. Oh. There we go. Now super jump is on. No, 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 no. I don't want to fall down. Come on. Come on. No, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no. Oh my. Whoa. 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 That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. If I didn't have God mode on right now, I'd be like cooked. There we go. Ah. I just went so fast I clipped through the mountain. There's a... Get out of the water. There's a dog. I can cook it cause I'm like 0.1% Korean. Where'd it go? Why am I jiggling? Ah! Time to grind up some cannibals into eatable sausage. Hey! You! Die! Alright, thank you for watching this video, and don't know what, I might do War Thunder next. I don't know for sure, I don't know.